Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add a external link or link on your Tumblr post on your Tumblr account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to add a link on the Tumblr post? I'm just going to show in this video. You can just add link on the existing post, or you can just add a link for a new post. For an example, here we have this option called edit. Click on those, and you have this add link option on the bottom. You can just add it and you can just save it. Otherwise, you just click on the option to post option. Just going to add an image here. So I just going to copy my Instagram profile link first. So just going to the profile, just click on this three dot option on the top and just copy the profile link. Then just coming back to the Tumblr account. So I just need to add my link. You have this option called link option on the bottom. So here, this is the link option. You can just add more link if you just need it. Just going to paste the same link here, and then I just going to click on the post option. So now you can see there is a pop-up here showing it's from the Instagram. So I just going to post it and just so it's going to refresh it. It's actually uploading it and just refreshing it. So you can see my Instagram page and also the Instagram link. If I just click this, it redirect to my Instagram page or the Instagram.com. So this is how we just post or add the link on your Tumblr post. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.